Hi, in this video we'll continue learn CSS and talk about inheritance. You already know that if we want to apply the same styles to multiple elements, we can create a class, like here a phrase. I'm given this class to multiple elements, and I need to write styles only once. Okay, but what if I want some styles to be applied to the entire page? Do I need to create a class and give each element this class? Well, the good news is that we don't have to do that because of something that's called inheritance. So here you can see that I have a body tag, and I can use this tag to style the entire page. And I can give some styles, and they will be inherited by every other element. So here we can style body. We can just write body. And let's, for example, change the font. So I write font family, and let's say I want it to be Arial. Okay, and we can see that the font family has changed. Now it's Arial. So let's comment it out for a second. And you can see that the font changes. Now let's uncomment it. And you can see that the font changed again. And please pay attention that we only set font family to our body element. We did not specifically set it for phrase or h1. And the reason why this font family is applied to every element is because font family is inherited. It can be inherited from a parent element. So another example of inheritance would be creating a div element. Div is an element that does not really have any meaning. It is only used to group some other elements. So here we can put these p tags inside. Let's cut them here and paste them here. Okay, and I can give this div a class and call it, I don't know, maybe container. Okay, and now I can style this container class. And let's move these styles here. So we can cut this from here and paste it here. Now we can remove this class. We can remove this class. And we can remove this class. And we can see that everything continues to work because color and text decoration can be inherited. And we don't have any color specifically set for P, nor do we have text decoration, so they are inherited from their parent, which is this div. And for this div, we do have these styles applied. But if we do it like this, we lose the flexibility because we can no longer specifically style our P element. But we can just agree to always use inheritance on common styles, and then nothing forbids me from giving it a class and write phrase 1 and style phrase 1. So here, let's say I want to style phrase 1 and I want to give it color green. And you can see that now the common styles are being inherited, but the style that I specifically set for this phrase 1 is being rewritten. So for this p tag, we don't have any color set, so it just takes it from the parent container. But for this p tag, we already have set the color. So that's why it does not inherit this color. It just uses the color from this CSS class. Okay, let's recap. In this video, we have talked about inheritance. We can write styles for one element, and it can be inherited for every element that is contained within that element. So here we can see that we give our body font family, and now everything inside of the body element will inherit this font family. Okay, in the future videos, we'll continue learning CSS.